You know, for hundreds of years, having a handcrafted seat has been vital for both comfort and durability. It makes a statement about your pride and your individuality. The same is true today.
Hi, my name is Aaron Forster, CEO of Roadwire. Although our name might be new to you, leather is not new to my family.
And I'm Dave Edmondson, Senior Vice President, and I've been with Roadwire for nearly 2 decades.
In 1969, John Forster founded the first company to mass manufacture classic car restorations, giving customers what they sought at prices they could afford. Distinctive Industries produced and sold interiors for the beautiful muscle cars of the generation.
My passion for automobiles started when my parents brought home a 1964.5 Mustang convertible, not unlike how this company started, with a love and passion of classic cars. And as an example, this exact replica of a 1967 Camaro Deluxe upholstery set represents what we've created over 50 years. From Mustang to Camaro to Galaxy to Falcon to Chevelle, we love classic cars.
This tradition continues to this day with Distinctive Industries Specialty Division interiors, known by car clubs, collectors, and enthusiasts as the best reproductions on the market.
Once we had our first customer, a Santa Monica Acura, it seemed like there was a lot of demand, and so we began making patterns for other cars, other Hondas and Toyotas and so forth, until we made patterns for 50 to 100 different vehicles. And so it was a lot of energy to try to figure out how to make all these different patterns and all these different shapes and all these different colors, and find the suppliers to supply us with the leather and the matching vinyl, and get all the cars from the dealerships in order to get the patterns from. We basically pioneered this business, so there was nobody else doing it.
Dwight Forrester followed in his father's entrepreneurial footsteps. As automobiles rapidly changed, classic soft trim provided comfortable and stylish interiors for nearly every make and model. His vision that everyone wanted to ride the road of life in comfort and style led CST to become the largest manufacturer and installer of interiors in the world. Soon, dealerships began to request classic soft trim by name, and thus the automotive restyling industry was born. Continuing 2 generations of entrepreneurial spirit, Aaron Forster founded Roadwire Inc. to supply classic soft trims precision-crafted leather interiors to restyling professionals. Today, the Roadwire Authorized Installer Network represents over 3,200 professional installation centers in every state in the U.S., serving over 100,000 satisfied customers annually.
And now, these handcrafted, genuine leather seats are available to every truck or car owner who would like to experience luxury at an affordable price.
And by the way, we give back through Roadwire Cares, and 10% of our total profit goes back to charity, whether it's building homes in Mexico for the needy, or taking care of foster children in Los Angeles, or even here in Austin with the local school system.